Hello all, welcome to Suman TV. My name is Ujjwal Panda and I am teaching Vedic mathematics and abacus since last 15 years. I have trained more than 300-400 teachers and lot of students all over India and outside of India also. So today we choose a topic, Vedic maths. Let's discuss about what is Vedic mathematics. Okay, all of you know mathematics. Okay, mathematics is a very big subject. In mathematics, we have numbers, we have shapes like arithmetic system, algebra, geometry, derivative, integration, a lot of things are there. Okay, so in schools, we generally learn mathematics and we do big calculations through pen and paper, right? So what is this Vedic mathematics? Okay, Vedic mathematics came from ancient India. Vedic, it came from Vedas. It came from Vedas. If you have heard about Vedas, we have 4 Vedas in Hindu mythology. So from Vedas, this Vedic mathematics came. It was discovered by Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji. Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji, he was Shankaracharya of Puri Mutt in Orissa. So he discovered this Vedic mathematics in 19th century. In 19th century, in between 1912 to 1918, he discovered this Vedic mathematics. What he did in Vedic mathematics, he discovered 16 formulas. And in this 16 formulas and 13 subformulas. So all the tricks we are learning in schools, lot of tricks to solve different kind of problems. So what he did, he just discovered 16 formulas or 16 sutras. Okay, in Sanskrit it is sutras or in English it is formulas. So through these 16 sutras we can do lot of calculations very easily. Now again let's come to the Vedic maths. What is the benefit of this Vedic maths? Okay, in Vedic mathematics we have some very good tricks by which we can solve any kind of problem within fraction of seconds in only one step. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, if we are trying to do a multiplication of, let's say, 3 digit multiplied by 3 digit, or 4 digit multiplied by 4 digit, or 5 digit multiplied by 5 digit. Let's take an example. As we are in live, so we don't have audience, so I am only taking the number. Okay, let's take one number, 6372. Okay, this is a 4 digit number. Let's multiply it another 4 digit number. Let's take it 9999. Okay, generally if a student or a parent or anyone will get this kind of question where we have 4 digit as a multiplicand and 4 digit as a multiplier. Okay, so generally what we do around 4 to 5 steps. We multiply 9 into 2, 9 into 7, 9 into 3, 9 into 6. That is the first step. Again same 9 we will multiply second step, third step, fourth step. So we will have 4 line answers. Then we will add all the answers and then after we will get the final result. Generally, if I will ask you how much time you will take to solve this question, around 1 minute, 2 minutes. If you are very good in mathematics and calculation and you are doing with regular calculation system, it will take more than 2 minutes to solve this problem. But in Vedic mathematics we take only 2 to 3 seconds, the time we require to write the answer. That is the time what we require. If you have a calculator, you can check it. Is this answer right or wrong? 6372 into 9999, that is 63713628. So basically I have given you an example in Vedic mathematics how fast we can do calculations of different type of questions. Now not only multiplication, what we can cover here is, in Vedic mathematics, we can cover addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, cubes, square roots, cube roots, Pythagorean theorem, algebraic equations, magic squares, and lot of things. Vedic mathematics is a very vast subject, and we can cover almost all the topics related to numbers and shapes in Vedic mathematics. Now we learn what is Vedic mathematics. Now we will learn about why Vedic mathematics, why we should learn Vedic mathematics. Now in this 20th century, 21st century, students from across the countries, from different countries like US, Dubai, Australia, Europe, all these countries, from these countries, the students are attracted towards Vedic mathematics. And in India, it is very important because this Vedic mathematics was discovered by Indian. And in India, the competition is very high. For the students, the competition is very high. Let me tell you, if you are a student, you will pass your 10th, you will do your 12th, then after you will go for jobs, you will find a very good college to join in. So when you will complete your regular studies, 10th and 12th and all, then after, if you want to go to get a job, like it is banking or it is railway or it is MBA, masters or whatever, clerk, whatever. Now because the population is too high, so for every college to get a seat in a good college, also you need to give competitive exams, written competitive exams. If you want to join in a good company, you want to do job in a good company, then also you need to write a competitive exams, you need to give interviews. So basically what happens in today's era, the competitive exams. Okay, I will just tell you simply about the competitive exams, how it happens. You will get 2 hours. Okay, and in this 2 hours, you will get around 200 questions. Okay, and what happens? 2 hours means around 120 minutes. In 120 minutes, you need to finish around 200 questions. So if you will divide 200 by 120, hardly you will get around 30 to 35 seconds to solve one question. Now in this type of questions, you will get one question and you have 4 options, A, B, C, D. Okay, and you need to find the right answer and you need to write the answer. Now, by learning Vedic mathematics, what will happen? Because there is no step marking in competitive exams, generally what happens, you need to do it very fast, and once you will do very fast, this multiple option questions you can solve very fast and you can cover all the 200 questions. So the first important point, while you learn Vedic mathematics, you can crack competitive exams. Second thing is, when you can solve questions and you get the answers very quickly, your confidence level will increase. You will get good marks. Third thing is, you will increase your speed and accuracy. So in today's era of competition, Vedic mathematics is very important to learn for all the students who are in schools and who are also appearing for the competitive exams like MBA, MAT, CAT, JET, these all things. So Vedic mathematics is very important.